Hey, welcome everybody. I think we are live now.
Welcome to
How
the
are
second
you?
episode of the Trading Challenge. Today's special episode, guys, it's my birthday. I'm not going to say how old I am, but
Congratulations.
today we don't celebrate. We
Happy
trade.
birthday, happy birthday.
We no days off. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Happy
So, how was
birthday,
your
happy
trading,
birthday.
guys? How was your week?
I will say first of all that
You're
what I
laughing
said
at
last week. What I said last week about that I'm only trading one time a day. For something happened and something really I messed up in one way. But let's come back to that later on. But I will explain that later. Something happened.
So is
I
it
think
good or is
someone
it bad?
has a smile.
I have good news, but so if it's bad news, I think you should start, Christian.
No, but look what happened after last time. I mean, should I? Okay, who will start sharing? Will you start, Antonio?
No, I'm curious to
It's your
know what
birthday.
happened to you.
Okay,
Okay,
look,
yeah,
so
then I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Let's-
So basically, guys, I did a very, very simple trade. Like I like them. Let me show you.
Which symbol?
So basically, I'm trading AUD USD.
Okay.
There was a channel, and I just saw a breakout here on the 4 hours, and then I decided to go long because the market has a strong impetus. Like there was strong inertia. So I thought that it might not respect this level anymore, and it might just go up. So I traced a little Fibonacci from here to here, and kind of expect this price to hit somewhere between this area. And let's see how it goes. Right now, I'm $160 down. I'm a bit large here with stop loss because I usually like this might retrace back, but I'm confident that the chances are good. So I'm thinking this could go up. And that's my trade. But overall, if you look at my account, it's pretty healthy. You see 1,043,000. I can also share my Thunder Pro dashboard.
Yeah, let's see.
You can see.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. This is pretty good.
You need to make what, 7,500 or what is it? No,
Yeah.
15. 15. How much you need to make?
Yeah, I need to make 15. Let's say 10K more, 12K more.
Yeah. No, but that's good.
Yeah, profit factor. Yeah, maybe it's too high, but yeah, like even the average trade duration, I'm happy. Like I'm handling it.
Okay, that's very good.
Somehow we manage.
Try to go back to the chart again. Let's see. So you took the breakout after you were a 1 hour chart. You saw that now it's breaking this trend line, and when it broke that trend line, did you just say, "Okay, it's breaking, I'm in," or we're waiting for?
No, I mean, actually, let's say I'll trace a Fibonacci, so I'll show you exactly what I did.
Yeah.
I usually like to take my Fibonacci from the impulse. So I saw that the price touched this area, and then I was looking on a switch, on some RSI, on several on different time frames. So as soon as I saw that the price bounced back, and I don't know, it was fluctuating between this area of the Fibonacci, and also considering the fact that the US dollar has, I think it's his 4 months low or something. So I don't know, I thought that maybe we had a chance just to go by. This is the reason why, I went also a bit more like fundamental, which I never do. But in this occasion, I just wanted to validate my idea with external factors. And let's see how it goes.
No, but you're up. You're in a very good position now. I mean, you have unlimited time, right? So you just take it step by step. Then you will pass if you. I mean, it's a very good one. And say it again. So that is. Are you only trading this pair now, or are you still open for trading everything?
No, I'm always open. Let's say I have always the 4 or 5 favorites. I wish I could trade gold, but I think it's better if I don't, because every time I touch gold, my account is blown. Boom, straight away. It's like magic.
Not like me.
I know. In fact, I want to see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm very sorry, guys, to give you, especially Antonio, this news during your birthday. But I think we have the first winner of the group here, because
Okay,
today,
okay.
if you can share my screen here,
Yeah.
you will see that my
Okay.
gold trade here is doing pretty well. This is where I entered.
This is crazy,
Of course.
man. So you passed.
Basically, so wait, I'm still not, because as people can see at home, I still have
okay.
this is on my equity, so I have minus 3K for the DAO and 12K plus the one that I have already in my overall profit, in my profit loss of today. I think I passed, because if you see here on the Funder Pro dashboard, my
are
equity
passed.
is at, yeah, I am. I just have to close the trade. So let's do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do it now. Let's do it
Live.
now.
We're doing it live. Oh
Let's
my
do
god.
it. We'll
Oh,
do
That
it
puts a
live.
lot of pressure on us. That's a lot of
So
pressure.
let's
yeah,
start,
yeah.
I will start closing the position in red.
Yeah, and the market has opened in US, so there's. I mean, that was a crazy one.
Confirm.
I do it live because it's like,
Confirm.
man,
Ah.
and
And now
That's
the
real.
last one. And now
Okay.
the most beautiful trade here, you can see, like, very simple.
Do it fast, so it's not gonna drop.
No, don't worry. That's it. So
Okay.
as
Okay.
people can see, my balance here on Trade Locker is 111, 157.57.
Bravo.
Perfect
That
number.
is awesome. So you are in
Congratulations.
phase now. Congrats, man.
What a flex. What a flex to do it on a
Yeah.
live stream, you know. Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was a perfect one. This is
that's-
why I was telling you guys, I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go back. So it was only oil.
No, it was only
Gold. Sorry,
So
only gold.
yeah. So as you see here, this is the trade that I opened the last week. It was just only a 1.6K profit. This week I took the other one 2 days ago, actually. After I saw the drop, there were very low chances and probabilities that the price would continue to drop. So this is where I entered, and today, I woke up with this good news. Very, very good news. So now the dashboard will take a while.
Wow, amazing.
That's cool. So now you are in phase 2, and you need to reach. Remember, there's a consistency rule in phase 2, and then you need to reach your target there.
Yeah.
But this is like we talked about. You could be the one who will pass extremely fast.
Yeah, but this is exactly what we were talking in the first episode. I don't know if people remember. Like, I was saying, I prefer to risk more than the traditional 1% on my account on the challenges account. Once I get to the funded, of course, you go back to the trading rules. But as I said before, my objective is to pass the challenges to get funded, not to trade, and stay too long on a challenge. So I consider that capital at risk. So, for example, let's say I take 5 or 6 challenges and I risk 5 or 6, like 5 to 10 times more than what I should risk on a normal trading account, or like if I'm trading with my money. But this is my strategy on the challenges, and so far has worked pretty well.
And no financial advice. No financial advice.
No financial advice. As you can see, guys, here,
Please.
the trades are updated. So yeah, I took 3 losses
Nice.
in the Dow, 0.01, the smallest position on the Dow Jones, on the US 30, which is the name of TradeLocker. 2 positions on gold, the one of the last week, 3.20 lots, closed the same day. Open and close the same day, and this one was a bit of a swing. Open 2 days ago, close today, 12K profit.
How are you gonna change your behavior with the consistency rule? Like, do you have a strategy, or you're just gonna go YOLO anyway? And
No.
The...
Of course, the consistency rule means that I cannot make all like in this case. Let's say, of course, it was a really good trade, but I was also lucky to get 12K with one trade. With the consistency rule, this cannot happen. I have to readjust a little bit my trading strategies. I will still risk more than 1%. I will not risk 5 like this time.
Oh, come on. And what about if it was real? I mean, after you have passed the challenge and you will go into the real market with real capital, what is your strategy regarding risk in this situation?
At that point, I would change it, not completely, because regarding to the symbols and the market analysis, would stay the same. Of course, the risk there would be way lower. Also because once you get funded, you have the first week of assessing how you're gonna do. Like it's very important not to lose it the first week. So it's very important to trade properly once you get it, because otherwise you have that like dopamine drop. Like if you lose your funded, then you have to start all over again from the challenges, and then you risk to overtrade and everything. So very careful once I get funded. 0.5 to 1% still on gold. But yeah, that would be I would definitely adjust my trading style once I get funded. But on the challenges, that's my strategy, and so far has paid pretty well. My objective, it can happen that you lose a funded account, of course. This is trading, so nothing is sure here.
You still have the minimum trading days, though, eh? You have the minimum trading days too, Phil. So
yeah. I can place. Don't worry, I can place some 0.001 on tomorrow and on Monday. So you guys have till Monday to reach me. Actually, yeah, you're right.
So that's a few hours now. Okay, we have to go all in now. No.
Yeah.
So look. I was thinking, the big winner you had now, and since you passed, as we can see there on the curve, how much was that? A 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4? And what was the risk to reward?
No, well, it was 1 to 2.
1 to 2.
Yeah. No, actually, no. What I was saying. Wait a second. So this was a 3.8. 1 to 4. Sorry, like 1 to 4.
Okay.
Okay. That doesn't make sense. So I like as you see in the I lost all. As you see here, just some basic support demand. Like I did some market analysis before entering in the gold markets. Was just a probability game. Like this is following. As you know, the last week was pretty very bad for gold. There was the drop here, as you can see, on the 8th of December. So it was a good entry point.
Interesting, but funny. Now you passed. Let's see how phase 2 gonna go. Antonio, we didn't lose yet. We can still catch up if we are lucky.
Yeah, we'll manage 2 days.
I mean, hours. Yeah. I mean, but I think it's cool. It was your strategy. You said this is how I'm gonna play the game, and you did, and it worked out now, right?
Yeah. So I wish it was always this way.
Yeah. Okay.
And what about you, Christian?
Yeah, but look, this is the funny part now, because I got inspired last time from Salman when he said, I'm just going to push a little hard. I'm like, okay, maybe he got a point right. And I was very strict last time saying, I'm just going to place that one trade a day. Okay, so this was my situation last Friday. I placed one trade around this level here, and I was like, okay, cool. It was last week, and I was like, this is going good. But then when Friday came right, and remember, I only trade for people who, didn't see our episode last time. I only place this one trade a day. It's always the same pair, pound yen, and I'm just trying to look for a breakout. That's my strategy. It's far away from how Salman is trading. But then I was like, it's Friday. It's nice. It's weekend. Let's see what we can do. And then suddenly I was thinking about you, and I was like,
it was a mistake.
Just went all in. And I was like, okay, let's go all in. And before I left the office, I was like, okay, now it's going in the wrong direction. Don't worry, I will come home a few hours before the market.
It will bounce back.
I can solve it. So I went from 1% in plus, and over the next days, I just went minus 5%. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't follow my rules. I was like FOMO, blind, because I was thinking about your strategy instead of just following my own strategy. And it's such a normal thing, right? It happens for everybody, and I got caught in it. But then I was thinking, okay, let's get back to my strategy. So since Monday, I've tried to recover. Same strategy, everything. And you see, pound was dropping a lot. Every day I was still looking for the perfect breakout. I was not so lucky, but I still somehow managed to recover a little of it. So
okay,
you can see here, that was my first trade, and then that was when I was start thinking about your strategy.
My influence.
Yeah, that was when I totally fucked up because I was
working though.
And then suddenly here I was thinking, oh my God, what am I doing? And basically this year is about one trade where I just scaled in. I managed to hit the right direction and I just added to a winner. And I stopped here, but I could just have hold it and then I would have passed also today. But it's a classic example of when you have a strategy, right? And my strategy is to find this breakout every day. And if we look at the trade today, and you can see what a drop. And I stepped out a lot earlier up here. But for those of you who didn't see last time, basically what I'm looking at every day, it is this perfect breakout. So I'm looking at the time, my local time around, and if we take today, what is today, 14th? So I am looking at the market around 8:30 in the morning here until 11:30, and I'm trying to go for this breakout. So I'm actually in a trade, not in this challenge here, but in another challenge, in a trade right now. I'm 1 pip away for passing this one. So I was scared after last week, so I didn't exit. I was just watching the market today, and I will try to get my last 6% next week.
Okay.
So I saved it, but it's just to say to everybody watching, stick to your own strategy. Don't step into when you see YouTube videos, you see somebody's making a killing online. Stick to your strategy. And improve your own strategy. And I've been trading now for some years past and lost many challenges. And even you got me last time, and someone else like, yeah, maybe let's go for it, man. It's a good idea. Pushed and I crashed it, man. So yeah. But we're still in
and
the
somehow
game.
other people's strategies, they always seem nicer, like they seem nicer.
Yeah.
They always look beautiful, when you look online or when a friend of yours tells you about their strategy, they usually tend to lie a bit and tell you only the good stuff about that strategy. They might tell you that they made, 10x on a demo account 3 times in a row, but then when you actually practice it, it's not as good. But Salman here is a natural. So
are you saying that I cheated?
But wait, it's long. We still have time. We have time, guys.
Yeah, what I like here is that it was your strategy from the beginning, right? You had your system and you executed that. I had my system, but I didn't execute it. I got blind because I was thinking, oh man, he's going to pass faster than me. No, this is let me see if I can execute. And suddenly I mixed two things. And I had to pay for it in this way, right? I really got
No, this is a very important thing that you're saying. I think it's often overlooked. It's all like in trading. It's all about your mental toughness, like how you strategize, like how do you go into the battlefield. If you go with a plan, just stick to it. Always, never change it. Don't get emotional about it. Like as Christian was saying, now he gets a bit emotional, thinking that I would pass the challenge before him, and as you can see from his equity graph, his trading style was correct for him, and fortunately, he came back to senses.
The funny thing here is that was okay. That was my strategy. Here, I totally start thinking about your strategy, right? And here I get my mind back again, and it's going in the right direction. If I just took my own trades since last time, I would be very close to pass, if not pass now. That's the funny thing, right? but that is exactly why trading is so difficult. It's because we're seeing everything online, and we want to oh, if he can do it, I can do it. I'm just going to jump in and do the same. But that's the situation so far.
Easy money.
Just Christian, can you hide my chart? Because at the moment it doesn't look promising,
Sorry.
Just hide it. Just remove it from the.
Okay.
You can keep mine.
Go here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's close the episode like this.
Okay.
So guys,
let's maybe also say something before we leave. Is that under Funder Pro, we have a giveaway, right? We are running on Twitter where you can participate, and we will give 5 challenges away to people who participate. We did that in November, and we want to find 5 winners. But let's not do it in this episode here. Let's do it next week before Christmas, because we will still have to give away 25K challenges, and it's if you follow Funder Pro on Twitter, and you can see how you can participate. We have the same challenge running, same competition giveaway running for December, and there will be another one later on in January. So go over to our Twitter page and follow and see. But just so you know that we will find winners next week in our live stream for November. That's all for me. So Antonio, you have the word.
I'll do it right now. I'm just joining Twitter, now X, and I'm sharing the giveaway. Guys, also subscribe, like this video, comment. If you have any questions, we can also bring you in one of our episodes. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Stay hustling.
See you all.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.